Louder too.
It is louder. So let's go. There's low. There's high. You can definitely see and feel the difference, and turning radiuses. Well, you guys thought Boat Week was over. We did too. While we were recording RC Boat Week, number 2 on the RC Sailors for 2020, this little guy showed up. We had it on order. We were not sure if it was going to come or not, and it did. I love the way it looks. It's called the Tiger Shark. There are 2 different colors you can get. It just looks like it's made really well. I love the material that the boat's made out of, and it just looks different. Very cool. This is another budget brushed RC boat. We're going to take the top panel off. Then we have these cool little locks. I think it's all unlocked. And there we have our brush motor with the water cooling system completely ready to run with this nice little radio. This is more of like a drone style of radio. This only has throttle on this side and left and right on this side instead of the traditional pistol grip style of radio. So maybe you prefer this kind. I've also seen that this has a high-low rate and a self-righting feature. So we're going to put all that to the test, see how this stacks up to the rest of Boat Week. There's no way we can compare it to the boat that was just on the channel yesterday. That's the little running battery that comes with it. And I think it had a USB charge cable. Honestly, a great little setup. We can't compare it to yesterday's boat. We just got to let it stand on its own merits for the price that it comes in at. Let's slap it in the water and see if it's okay for your money. Okay, this little guy shows no signs of actually turning on. We turn the radio on and the light's blinking. So that means it's got to touch water. See that little contact right there? Yep. I'm assuming that maybe with something back here. When we touch water, there we go. This one has telemetry too. It said on the box, and because we got that beep on the radio, when the battery gets low, it should start beeping to say, hey, your battery's low, time to bring it in, which I really like. So let's test our self-righting feature. Just push that out a little bit and hope it works. There we go. Just a little bit of throttle forward and back, timed well, and that's what flips these guys over. We've got 2 shoulder buttons. We're gonna test those out today. I'm just kind of cruising. All right, let's open it up. Okay, this one is definitely the slowest one on the channel for the week.
But it's still not too bad.
No, not at all, not at all. Now the WL Toys boat that we featured, it turns out that one made it on the channel about a year or so ago, and I just completely forgot. But you know what? The fact that it made it on the channel for a second time should say something.
Did we say it was good back then?
Yeah, it's a good boat.
Look, consistency.
And the price is good too. But you know what? We test so many things, I completely forgot about that boat. One of our viewers pointed that out to us.
That's funny.
I would say the WL Toys boat, the very first one we tested on Boat Week, if you're going to go with the brushed motor, I'd probably go with it over this one because at least when we released the video, it was 65 bucks.
Nice.
Now you can see the water shooting out the side. Okay, so we have high and low rates. Let's push these buttons. The left button, that might be our trim. It's supposed to have high and low rates, but that's trim. The shoulder buttons are definitely trim.
Okay. What if you click something?
No, yeah, there it is. You're right, clicking the right stick. Oh, there's faster.
All right,
okay.
You spoke too soon.
Yeah, there's our speed.
Louder too.
It is louder. So let's go. There's low. There's high. You can definitely see and feel the difference, and turning radiuses.
Almost got me. Funny, funny.
Okay, Abby, I'm gonna start it off in low rates for you, and you give it a shot.
Okay.
Ready. I like this maroon little boat.
Who needs low rates?
Ah, I knew you'd do that.
You don't know me.
So the self-righting works. You are very unpredictable on this boat. The self-righting works great. The rates work really well. Maybe you want to let a bystander drive your RC boat. Pre-COVID, Abby and I always offered to let any bystanders drive our RC boats because it always draws a crowd every single time, and it's fun. People have questions. We say, hey, I got another battery charge. Why don't you drive it?
I should have packed the Lysol wipes.
Yeah. So the rates work really well. Self-righting works. It's a good boat. Really good boat.
I like the teeth. They're
and
like
the shark teeth.
dinosaur.
Oh, they're awesome. Yeah, let's get a close look. Yeah, I like how it looks too.
Wouldn't you like to have a real boat that look like that?
Oh, are you kidding? Yeah. Absolutely.
I'd like to have it, but then I wouldn't like to take care of it.
No one wants to take care of boats.
Except Dan.
We got a buddy for that. Dan.
Actually, I'm sorry, Driver Dan.
Driver Dan.
Did I say that right? Nice.
Wonder if Driver Dan's gonna get the twin otter to fly off of water with me.
That would be a fun video.
It would be a fun video. 2 water airplanes. Which actually, it's kind of funny that I say that because as of right now, you guys don't know this until this very moment, but we plan on flying the... Oh no, reverse, easy on the reverse. You just got to go easy. It'll angle it. And hang on, no. You're getting up under the bicycle boat. Okay, you can actually come through. You have enough clearance. Okay, you made it without even touching it. But you could have come through.
Skill.
Yeah.
Took skill to get it there. Took skill to get it there.
As of right now, we plan on flying the twin otter sometime on the channel. I'm not going to say when.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
The twin otter. Twin otter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Twin otter?
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't know about that.
Let's just hush and enjoy the boat. Boat week is fun. This has been a good boat week. We only had 1 dud, and I could say it's like a half dud. So when the battery gets low, you should get a beep out of the radio, and I love that about RC boats, because who wants to get a dead battery in the middle of the lake? Nice donuts.
Thanks. I forget they don't watch The Office like we do.
Yeah. Oh, there's a wasp. Wow. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh no, it's right here. It's scaring me. Let's walk. It's a floating duck. It's pretty scary actually. Okay, let's hope Mr. Wasp doesn't like grass and sticks for some reason. I like driving out there though. Stupid wasp.
At least I didn't throw the controller on the wall.
Oh yeah, and same with the camera.
It was right in my face.
It made me jump. Pretty quiet little boat. Overall, just a solid win, I think. Don't you?
Oh yeah, fun.
I don't think it kicks up enough. Oh yeah, let's do the water test. I don't think it kicks up as much water as the WL Toys boat. The rooster tail is much smaller.
Where'd you go, Bill?
Okay, here we go.
Oh, sorry. Oh, fell. See, normally that would have got cut out.
Take this hatch off. Unlock these, steering clear of the prop because who knows if Abby's going to turn that on or not. Do we have any water? That is bone dry.
Flip it.
That drip you're seeing is only off the outside of the boat. That is bone dry.
Wow.
For some reason that stayed drier than any boat on the channel this week. Maybe because it's going a little slower. Maybe it just has a better seal. There's a nice rubber seal on the bottom. Is that rubber or foam? Feels kind of like foam. Kind of a nice seal going on here on the second hatch. Well, I hope you have enjoyed Boat Week as much as us. It's taken us a while to get enough boats in hand to do a whole week straight of RC boats, but it was awesome. Had a lot of fun, and I think this is a very strong contender. We'll leave it down to price, okay? If the WL Toys boat is about the same price as this, I would go with the WL Toys boat. It also comes with 2 batteries, and who doesn't love more batteries? Seemed like it just ran a little bit faster even when this was in high rates. Although this one looks really cool. I mean, it has a definite cool design going for it that the WL Toys one does not have. So if you're down to the budget boat, either one is just fine. They both function really, really well. We'll have this guy linked in the description box below, and I just want to thank God for an amazing week of RC boats, getting to share all these experiences with you guys. We do have a little surprise coming to the channel. I think we might have given it away during this video, but if you weren't paying that close attention, you're going to be pretty surprised tomorrow. I also want to say a huge thanks to all of our Patreon supporters. I dedicate the entire boat week to our Patreon supporters. You guys are amazing. You keep the fuel and the fire and just our motivation going so we can get the content out as often as we do, and just keeping it fun, keeping it real. If this was a dud, we'd tell you, and that thanks goes to our Patreon supporters. So we thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts. I think yesterday's boat is just absolutely worthy of another shout out. It was amazing. If for some reason you missed that video, you need to check it out. It's popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you over at the coolest boat that's ever been on our channel.
Bye!